I want to talk to you about the best load boards for Hotshots. And so here's a review I want you to pay attention to this year. So when we talk about the best load boards for Hotshots, we really need to explain something really fast. What are Hotshot load boards anyway? The thing is that when we talk about Hotshot load boards, we're speaking about all kinds of opportunities. A construction worker loading a truck, for instance, can be considered hotshot loads. And most hotshot loads are LTL, which really stands for less than load. What this means is that it's a load that won't fill up a container. And this allows something smaller than a semi-truck to haul around an LTL, such as trucks and larger cars. However, like truckers in a semi-truck, somebody hauling around an LTL can get paid for their work. That's really good. So the first hotshot load boards that you want to really pay attention to right now is Trucker Path. And Trucker Path is really great for it. It's a great load board for hotshots. Basically, you are able to have one of the best free load boards for hotshots out there. And to be clear though, Trucker Path is not specialized for hotshot loads. Instead, it offers many types of loads that truckers can get on. And there are currently over 800 to 1,000 brokers and 150,000 daily loads on Trucker Path. And its features are actually really great. And we also love the fact that with Trucker Path, you can also have a free app for your load boards for hotshots. Okay, so this is really good. And what I'm trying to say here is that you have an app that really helps you out, and there is actually an app that is great for carriers and that has capacity for brokers. And so Truckloads by Trucker Path actually offers all kinds of loads for hotshots. And you have an app that helps carriers and owner operators move freight via their mobile application and web portal. It also helps freight brokers get matched with tons of capacity, especially as that capacity revolves around hotshots. And over 1,000 brokers post loads on truckloads to get their freight in front of nearly 1 million carriers every single month. So this is really, really great in terms of the flexibility, but also the capacity there. So you have this app as a load board for hotshots is really great because you have a great navigation for drivers. You have discounted fuel deals. You have a truck navigation for fleets. You have fuel prices. You have over-the-road map. You have driver community, and you have the ability to find loads really, really quickly. So that's just fantastic. You also have Trulos. Trulos is a great load board for hotshots. We love Trulos because basically this is a great free hotshot load board, and you are able to look at this load board and see what's really happening there. So just like Trucker Path, we love the fact that Trulos doesn't specialize in hotshot loads, but it certainly offers them. And Trulos doesn't have an app, but it is integrated into another app called Smart Truck Routes. And so to use the free truckload search in Trulos, you want to select a state. So when you visit the homepage of the free truckload search tool, you will see a list of buttons, each representing a different state. And these buttons are not, they're usually located at the top or side of the page. So you want to click on the button corresponding to the state from which you wish to find truckloads and also hotshot loads. And this action will filter the available loads to only those originating from the selected state. And step number 2, you want to choose your equipment. So after selecting a state, you will be presented with a list of equipment types such as hotshots, such as flatbed, reefer, dry van. You really will decide. And you want to click on the button or link corresponding to the type of equipment you are operating. And this actually ensures that the search results will only include loads that are compatible with your vehicle or trailer. And then step number 3, you want to view the results. So once you have selected your equipment type, the tool will display a list of available loads, and the loads will initially be sorted by origin city to make it easier for you to find convenient pickup locations. You can also click on the headings of each column to sort the results according to a different criteria, such as the destination, rate, or weight. In the last column of each row, there is a direct link to Google Maps, and clicking on this link will show you the routing from the origin to the destination. So this is kind of cool to even consider. And there are actually additional tips for using the free load board here. So if you're looking for If you're looking for hotshot loads, you want to check rates, you want to find new business partners. And it's important to understand that there is no sign up required, but there could be some advertisement actually, like a fed onto your feed. Truck Stop is your third load board for Hotshots. And Truck Stop actually has hotshot loads, not just truck loads, okay? And so while not entirely free, Topmark actually says that the website Truck Stop is an excellent load board for folks looking to get into the trucking business, especially around hotshots. And this is cool, and it may be worthwhile paying for a premium load board like a Truck Stop. But at the very least, Truck Stop offers a free demo. That's just really good. And it also offers about 500,000 loads off the bat. So this is really fantastic. So when we talk about revenue avenues, you really have a lot of opportunities through the Truck Stop app. And so the cool thing we love about this app is that for Hotshots, you have a tool that goes beyond the basic load board to make your job easier at every turn. From negotiating rates to finding routes, from managing paperwork to monitoring partners, from IFTA reporting to instant load booking. You can look into this load board for easy handling of all your needs. And so if you're a carrier, you can check out the complete toolbox of practical solutions for everyday hassles. And I want to insist, this is not just for hotshots. It just happens to carry hotshots loads also. And so you have carriers, you have a constellation of carrier tools to pay attention to. You have brokers also. So you are able to run your business like a well-oiled machine with this platform's portfolio of products that can really help can really help you to up your game in the first place. You also have broker tools, and you have shippers. Okay, so for shippers, especially those shippers that are looking for hotshots opportunities, this platform offers a wide range of problem-solving products designed to help those shippers ship more freight faster. So this is really fantastic. So we love that a lot. So bottom line is you can find loads fast, book them faster, and make more money with your hotshot. It's just fantastic. And so in addition to load boards for hotshots, you also have a load board for dry van. You have a dry van load board, an expedited load board, a flatbed load board, a heavy haul load board, a hopper bulk load board. So bulk load board. You have hotshot load board. You have less than truckload load board. You have low boy load board, step deck load board. You have power only load board, refrigerated load board, and a gooseneck trailer load board. I want to talk to you now about that. So when you think about that is a great load board for hotshots, okay? And we're talking about all kinds of hotshot opportunities. So with the DAT load board, you can easily find the hotshot loads that work for you. So hotshot trucking load boards make it easier to find the loads that actually match your equipment and desired routes. So whether you are just starting your trucking business or just a well-established carrier, hotshot freight load boards can help you find the loads you want with the best possible rates. So we're speaking about you finding the right hotshot loads for your business, getting the best rates with the DAT load board, and you having the opportunity never to miss again a single load that matches your search. The cool thing about this tool is that you are able to find the right hotshot loads for your business right away. So you can easily find the hotshot loads that best fit your operation, and so you can get on the road as quickly as possible. And so the cool thing is that you are able to get things done properly. You can also get the best rates with the DAT load board. So you have the opportunity here is that you have the opportunity to research business partners and see average market rates on each lane you search to make sure you are getting the best rates. So the best hotshot load board makes it very easy to find the information you need to ensure you are getting the best rates. And that actually does a great job there because it gives you the comprehensiveness you need. You have a tool that enables you to research potential partners with the help of credit scores and company reviews. You can also find areas where hotshot and trucks in general are in higher demand by looking at the inbound and outbound load volume by state. In addition, that lets you see the average market rates on each lane you search. So this is kind of cool. So long story short, you have the ability to get things done a lot faster. So when you think about that, I want you to think about one of the biggies in this space. With nearly 1 million loads posted daily, it's possible that while you may not find the hotshot load you are looking for when you first enter your search, a new load will be added later that is a perfect fit. So instead of having to keep checking the load board, that's actually lets you set alerts for loads that match your criteria. So that's really cool in terms of flexibility there. You also have a 1, 2, 3 load board. So when we think about the 1, 2, 3 load board, I want you to talk about a great load board for Hotshots. And 1, 2, 3 load board also offers a free trial. That being said, 1, 2, 3 load board is an excellent option for many reasons, especially when it comes to Hotshots. Okay, not only does he have an app, but it's also a very good option for folks who are interested in hotshot loads only. And over 52 million loads are posted on 1, 2, 3 load board annually, and many are hotshot loads. And that's kind of cool because it gives you the flexibility that you'll be looking for in the first place. Okay, and one thing I also want to say is that when you think about 1, 2, 3 load board, think about it, one of the easiest load board to find a hotshot truck loads quickly. And you have the ability to, like, whether you're a carrier or you're a freight broker or shipper, you have the ability to find stuff quickly through 1, 2, 3 load board. For example, if you're a carrier, you can find truck loads quickly. You can find hotshot loads quickly. You can find truck loads by city or state. You can earn more per mile. You can reduce empty miles. You can access from anywhere, and you have a free app for Android, iOS. If you are a freight broker or a shipper, you have 150,000 to 200,000 truckloads moved daily. You have $350,000 mobile app downloads. You have the ability to automate your load posting, and you can match your loads with available trucks. So when you have this app, you have the ability to find loads. That's for sure. You have a trip builder for your hotshot. You have mileage and routing. You have credit scores. You have rate check, and you have a quick pay. So quick pay is kind of cool because, I mean, the last thing you want is you're not working for free, right? So if you're looking for a load board for hotshots, once the load board has been identified, you want to get paid. So this is where this load board actually plays an important role. So that's just fantastic. You also have a freight finder. So when you think about the load board for hotshots, we load the freight finder. Now, freight finder is pretty cool because you basically have a more stripped down app. It is a completely free load board, and it does its job of offering lots to folks. You have, in terms of loads for hotshots, additionally, hotshot loads are available on the site too, and in massive amounts. Okay, so you have so when it comes to this tool, Freight Finder, you have one of the internet's original free load board since 1998, and so they've been actually been able to offer the best free truck loads and available truck listings to trucking companies, fleets, owner-operators, and freight brokers, and they've been doing so since 1998. Think about it, since 1998. And so with if you're looking for a load board for hotshots, you have the ability to connect with clients and grow your business. And and that's if you're a shipper. Okay, you can easily find a carrier to transport your goods, helping you save time while helping your business grow. You also have lower business expenses. So if you are an owner operator or a manager of a trucking company or a hotshot company, this freight finder can help you minimize business expenses that might affect your bottom line by offering a free load board with access to market rates. Qualified carriers may get better rates, generating more revenue for their business. And this is kind of cool. And this site here doesn't have subscription fees, which means no out-of-pocket cost for you. You also have increased visibility and reach for business owners. So if you own a hotshot company, that visibility is priceless. So for those that just starting to grow their business, their trucking business or their hotshot business, You will be provided with a link with the details to your offers, helping you create a web presence. And Freight Finder handles everything, including maintenance and load posting changes or deletions. So the free load search is simple and doesn't require any login or even an account. Simply narrow down the search criteria using the options listed, namely whether you are searching for hotshot loads or available trucks, equipment type, and either origin or destination cities if you are using radius search, or origin and destination state if you are using the state to state search. Once you are ready, click the go button and that's it. And the search results will display available loads or trucks matching your search criteria. And you can have more results listed by removing criteria or expanding the radius. So that's really cool. And what we love about this tool also is that basically you have most loads that are listed are full truck loads for vans or flatbeds, but you also have some hotshot loads also. So clicking on the date field on a given load or truck will display pertinent load detail information regarding the given load, such as a rate, stops, or other important comments. So that's really cool in terms of possibility, and we love that a lot, and that's just fantastic. Now I want to talk to you about Truck Smarter. So when we talk about Truck Smarter, what kind of opportunity do we have here? So Truck Smarter is a great load board for Hotshots, and you have 100K daily loads, most of which are not Hotshots, but you do have a significant amount that's actually, you have a relatively interesting amount that's related to Hotshots, okay? So you can find new quality Hotshot loads every time you head to the Truck Smarter load board, and they refresh quickly, so you have access to new loads as they are posted, okay? And you can also work with trusted brokers. So every broker that this load board actually partners with goes through a credit check, so you know you are always working with reliable, trustworthy partners. That's really good. So if you actually score some hotshot loads on Truck Smarter, you know you get quality. And it's important to understand that basically Truck Smarter is not really a broker or a dispatcher. So they do not control the prices or conditions of the loads. This is information set by the brokers themselves. So the load board pulls this load board pulls loads from other sources into one location, so it's easier for independent owner operators to find work. So instead of paying for a high price subscription or searching for loads in multiple places, basically through this platform, you are able to actually save time and money by being a single source to search, bid, book, and manage your loads, including your hotshot loads. Now the load board is 100% free for everybody. So at Truck Smarter, even if the name says Truck Smarter, you also have you have cargo van loads, you have freighter van loads, you have hotshot loads, and so on and so forth. And so what they do is that they actually provide you access to the information you need to run your business. And so they have many types of loads. So you have a van, reefer, flatbed, power only, step deck, Conestoga, they have container, box truck, hotshot, and car hauling. So this is kind of cool in terms of flexibility. You have all kinds of information there. So long story short, when you think about Truck Smarter, I want you to think about a tool that allows you to speed up your search, in terms of accurate load details, and also make money by letting loads come to you in the first place instead of visiting 5 or 6 websites differently. You only have one, and that's it. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I was just talking to you about the best load boards for hotshots. And so let's quickly do a recap here. So number 1, Trucker Path. Number 2, Trulos. Number 3, Truck Stop. Number 4, DATS. Number 5, 123, Load Boards. Number 6, Freight Finder. And number 7, Truck Smarter. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.